Whew, kind of a breezy afternoon here, Friday afternoon. And we have a problem. We have water leaking out of the connection between the 1 inch or 1 1/4 inch pipe, PVC pipe that comes from the house down to here. So somebody has to dig it out and fix it, and guess who that is? The lucky dog guy. So stay tuned for more. Glad you're here. And you know what's always really fun is to watch somebody else work. So enjoy. So here's what the problem has been. We have been not be able to keep pressure in our pressure tank. So water comes up out of the well, from the well pump, it gets pushed into the pressure tank, and then the pressure tank holds that pressure as you use water throughout the house. But it would not keep the pressure over time. It would just go down and down and down. So I called our well guys and they're terrific. They pulled things off to see if there was any leakage in the check valve, and there wasn't. So we had to go to plan B.
So it's Father's Day out here on our beautiful farm, and looking for Jerome. I don't know where he is. But in the meantime, gotta stop and look at our view, see what's going on. And
hey,
what? Whoa!
oh, here I am.
Jerome is known for digging holes.
I was playing golf and I got a hole in one here.
How many holes have you dug on the farm?
Thousands. Come on over here and I'll show
Okay,
our fan club
here we go.
what's going on. So this is day 2.
Day 2 of our
And
water
we have our
issue.
new
So how deep is that
hydrant.
hole, you think? 5 feet? 4
oh
feet?
no, about 4.5.
4.5 feet. The cats have already inspected it.
Well, I can smell cats.
Yeah.
I can smell the cats have been down here. You can see right down here. We'll put
There you go,
a
babe.
pipe wrench right there. We'll put a pipe wrench right down there, right about there, and then we'll twist off this hydrant. You can see right here. We'll twist that hydrant off and put the new one on. So I'll give it back to Lori. So that's what JJ and Lulu are doing today.
So I hope that he's not expecting me to go down there and hold on to that extra, what'd you call it?
Oh, I forgot to tell you, honey.
Well, as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful June day here in southwest Idaho. And guess what I get to do? I get to continue digging in our hole. You can see the plastic down there. And so I think I'm almost to the right depth. And now I have to uncover the rest of that, figure out what is the problem, but you can see the hole is getting bigger. So one little downside of having a DIY farm, when these things come up, guess who has to do them? The lucky dog. I'm the lucky dog. So stay tuned for more. Here's more of this incredible day. Lori always tells me, pan more slowly, don't be so fast. So that's giving you a little idea of this beautiful 75-degree day here. You can see the alfalfa fields down there. And there's our little windmill going to town. I wish it was hooked up. I'll tell you more about that. Okay, I just turned the water on, and you can see that leak right down there. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of water. So I knew it was bad, but I didn't know how bad it was. So next step is to turn the water off and take that pipe off. Here we go. Oh, am I live?
Yep.
Okay, so I'll take the camera for a moment. There we go. So here's our problem. This is keeping the dirt out right here. But this adapter here is too big to fit in the bottom of our brass flange. So what we need to do now is take this flange off, and hopefully our new hydrant will just slide down on top of this one, on top of that one right there. So that's what's going on from down in the... Okay, miracles happen here every day at Lucky Dog Farm. So Lori, you can show them the new hydrant, already tested. We know it works.
Yep.
It was a son of a bitch to get off all the couplings down there, but we did.
Yeah,
and
there's
now,
two couplings. So check make sure you have an adapter.
Yeah, or you got to take an adapter off like we did.
Right.
To make it fit. So now we learned something by another YouTuber. Take a mid-sized small bucket, cut the hole out. We're going to take the hydrant off, put this down over it, and then we'll put this clean gravel that Lori got for us into here, and that way the small valve that's down there can leak into a clean space that won't freeze in the wintertime. So just keep on learning. And here is almost the final product. You can see the bucket down there, and then here it is with the gravel. I also have a plastic bag to keep the dirt out. Just make sure that as the water gets pushed out from that bottom valve, everything stays clean. And here's the final product with a great view. You can see I also attached a metal post to just reinforce things, and that's attached all the way down. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you will subscribe. And would you help us out? Would you please share this with someone you care about? Thanks for being on the Lucky Dog journey with us.